real. This one is confusing me a lot.
Why?
Because, oh. It's
Why
good.
are you confused?
Because which one is the real one and which one is the not real one?
It is very tasty. Do you want this one?
That's the only yogurt. That's not tasty.
Huh? So tasty.
I don't want this. I want.
Which one you like? Yeah, orange can't drink, I think.
Yeah.
Do you want this one? Really? No confused? No confused?
I want that one.
You know, wait.
What? And Daddy, who's this and who's this?
I think it is better for you.
This one.
Okay? If not drink, I'll beat you.
Today?
Hmm?
Today I'm going to drink all of it.
Okay, let's go.
Coca-Cola?
This is bad for health. Don't.
I want to drink Coca-Cola.
And the egg also, see?
Now which one you want? Egg or blueberry?
Hmm?
Which one you want?
This one is good for health.
That
You
is.
know,
I don't
it's a
like
green
tea.
tree. This is a green tree.
I don't want.
Green tea. Huh?
I don't want.
You don't like green tea?
Snacks. Take some.
Let's go. Already you are fat.
I
Don't
want
drink
snacks.
sweet is bad for you.
I want snacks.
No. Everything is available here. Okay.
Oh! Screw the fixing things.
Huh?
See the screwdriver.
How much cost it is?
This one.
Shall we buy one?
And Daddy, this one.
Oh, it's so cost.
Daddy, this one is for the take out the nails if it's stuck.
How do you know?
I know. I'm watching YouTube.
Huh?
Yes. Oh, here's super glue.
What will you do with this?
You going to fix the helmet?
Oh, this is not.
What we need to fix the helmet?
We have to go the 100 shop and buy. No need to buy here. It's so costly.
Do you want the wrench?
Hmm?
Wrench? Do you want? I'm going to you. Daddy, which one you want? I think this one is good. Or this one bad, I don't know.
Okay, keep it. Let's go find another something.
Wait.
Let's buy the cockroach medicine.
I'm checking.
No need. What will you do with that?
I'm going to draw something with it.
No need.
If I do,
You will make the messy.
I don't want to draw my pictures.
Show me.
Not damage. Why you put rocks? Oh, you can eat these rocks. Yes, this is for eating. This is just the fake, not real rocks. They look like real rocks, but they're sweet potato. Yes.
It is rocks. It's hot. You know?
See, say sweet potato rock.
Now there is no sweet potato. Okay, let's go.
It smells like sweet potato. I smell it was smelling like sweet potato. Wow.
Which way? Where the? Okay, we will buy the cockroach medicine.
Okay.
Where the cockroach medicine? Do you know?
The rocks look Yes, the one the rocks we see was just potato. That was not real rocks. You want to taste that?
Where the cockroach medicine?
Oh, I love these chips.
No.
So yummy. This is the fireworks in New Delhi.
Hmm? Where is it?
What?
Where is?
I think I want this one. Oh, this is a new fan.
Yes. So cost. See how much cost is it? Do you have this money? Do you have this money?
I think. So I think
I
this
will
is the water toys.
I think I will buy this one for
In
you.
this, what is this?
Oh, see, wait.
This is the mosquito spray. Mosquito. What is this?
Hmm?
I don't know what spray is it.
Other cockroach spray. I
This
think
is
cockroach
just-
spray is finished.
I think this is just only the
They are
Mosquito.
cockroach,
no, that's mosquito.
not cockroach. Where the? Why it is finished? I think it's finished. With the
Let's find somewhere.
only the restock in the bar.
Oh, shit, don't touch.
Well, I think they are there after gone.
That is made these rocks. I'm going to find the spray.
This is the water gun. Here, I think it is a water gun.
No, this is just for swimming. I want that one.
Which one? Tomorrow we'll buy.
No!
Because today our daddy has no enough money.
Only this one?
Tomorrow I will buy for you. This one. Water.
What is it?
What is that?
Oh.
What is that?
You
You
read?
know this one.
What?
Keep that one. No need. Keep that one.
I want bubbles.
Its place.
I say I want bubbles.
Okay. Tomorrow we'll come and buy. I think this one.
Yeah!
So I think this is a water gun.
Me too.
Hmm?
Let's just buy this. I don't need the cockroach spray. I don't know where the cockroach spray.
Okay.
I'm going to go.
Hmm?
I'm going to go home or not?
Will go? You told me you will. I want to go outside make video.
Daddy, we already made the video. This one.
Which one?
Oh, frying pan.
Cyclone.
And why does it look like there's sugar?
Yes.
Salt.
Shall we buy this one for hit the water?
Where? I think yes, because the old one got broken. The one was 3 years old one. But
Huh?
it's too high to reach. How can you do?
Hmm?
Too high to reach.
It's too high to reach.
Then can you reach it?
My hand will be reach, no problem. I can reach there.
Then reach. I'm going to just sit down and look.
I think I am searching something.
For the heat the water.
This one, guys.
What is it? Did you want this?
I'm searching a IH1. There is nothing, I guess.
Do you want to buy the water thing or you want to buy just only
You
the...
don't touch. It will be broken and he will beat you.
Daddy, do you want to buy the hot one or the cockroach spray? Which one?
Hmm?
Maybe we want this to make the fire. No,
What is this? It's called lighter.
I know. In India we have one, but it's too far away to have. That is the we need a new. We don't have a frying pan. Can we buy one?
We have. This is not. It cannot. It cannot. I think we can use this.
Then buy. If you want to buy that one, then buy. If you want to buy this one, then buy. Which one?
Okay, mommy will buy. I can't buy. Okay, let's go.
This one is
What
this.
is this? Tell me what is this?
This is for the cleaning. Are you dumb?
Hmm?
Are you
For
dumb?
cleaning?
Let's just go home. Let's make the let's fast. I think we forgot to take the bag.
Tell me what is. Hmm?
Dog alert. Dog alert.
What is this? Dog make boo?
Dog alert. Dog
Dog
alert.
foods? Dog panty? How many time you drop? How many time will drop?
Let's go drop to one so many times.
Oh, see, here is the see. The come here. Come here. What are you doing there? Come
What
here.
is it? What is it? I'm just checking what is it.
Tell me what is this? Do you know what is this?
What's it?
Tell me what is
The
it?
cat food.
Is it cat food?
Oh no, the stupid cute cats!
So many cat foods.
Also, there's
Do
a
you
cat.
have cat?
Daddy, do you know there's also a cat house that you missed?
Huh?
You forgot there's a cat house. You forgot this one.
What is this?
It's a cat house.
What do you do with cat house?
We're going to buy a cat and put him there.
Huh? Why you get this one?
You do? This here?
Is it here? Oh.
The cat.
Hmm?
I think I want a shark. For my
Huh? What do you do with that? Keep that.
the dog will play with this.
Okay, let's go this side.
This is our snacks. Now then I'm going to go.
Here they all toilet paper.
The diapers. The diapers. Daddy, look at the diapers.
Diaper is a diaper.
It's diapers.
Diaper.
Not
When you
diapers.
are baby, use diaper.
No, it's a diaper, not a diaper.
Diaper, your teacher say.
Maybe this is my favorite, the bat balls.
Huh?
My favorite, my favorite is always the bat balls.
Bath box.
I can't stop eating that.
Huh? What will you do with this ball?
I'm going to play after with the bat balls that are finished.
Hmm?
I'm going. If we finish the bat balls at that, then we're going to find out what animal, what dinosaur, or this we can find.
Okay, come. Tell me about this. Tell me about this. I can't understand. Come here. What are you doing? Tell me about this.
This one.
This one.
I think that is just only dye piece.
What is this?
The laundry cleaner.
Laundry cleaner.
Yes.
Liquid.
No, this is for the laundry to clean. Oh, this is the last.
Hmm?
Here's the straw.
Okay, let's make the bill.
Huh?
Let's go. Let's make the bill.
What?
Let's where you pay the money? Here or there? Okay, keep there and come here and pay the money.
There's a big towel. Daddy, come!
Hey.
105円になります。
Hi. Have to go. Just a minute. No. Hi.
はい、105円ちょっとお借りいたします。
はい、ちょうどですね。Okay, take your juice. Let's go. Let's go. Take a juice. Full of juice.
They will give the money.
I already have. I already gave the money.
見ました。
I said they will.
ありがとう。
Arigato.
見ました。
I think I need a bag for this.
Huh?
I think I need a bag.
Okay. Do you know how to open?
Oh. Like this one. Pakamasu.
Oh, you know that.
At home, how are you going to sleep?
Eh? Why open you decide? What are you doing? No. Yeah. Good. Yeah. Who juice it is? Do you know what kind of juice this is?
Orange.
Orange?
I'm going to taste today.
You like orange juice? You like?
Yeah.
Okay, that's enough. Let's go.
I tasted my childhood.
How can you take?
Let's do my video.
Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Shall we end the video now? Huh?
Let's see. Yes.
Shall we go? So, Akhil, we have finished our.
We have finished our shopping. And the full moon is still there. The full moon is still there.
Where is it? Okay, let's take the photo.
You want to stop video make photo?
Yeah. Puchu will go home by train way or straight way? This way?
Yes, this is shortcut.
This is shortcut? How do you know that is shortcut?
And this is the scary path.
Shall we go on the main road? That is the main road.
It will take a long time.
Are you scared? Don't you scared?
I'm scared.
This is, huh? Are you not scared?
This made make a photo of the full moon.
Hmm? Or let daddy take the photo of the full moon. Hmm?
Daddy,
Hmm.
Daddy, how can you tie it up when you are buying the you also the mashed potato or the tomato curry, how did you bind?
Still, a small polythene you take. How can I buy? You have to take a big polythene.
They don't let me buy.
Huh?
Why they not let me buy
You
that
have to
one?
pay that one.
How
You have to pay 3
this one is
Then he'll buy. Then the shopkeeper give you
this one is free. This one
3
is
yen. Do you know what it? Do you know
3 yen.
what shop is it?
The medicine.
Is the medicine shop? No. This. Tell me this shop name. Do you know?
This medicine.
No. Tell me
This
what.
Tokyo shop.
No. This shop.
This shop.
This one.
No,
Do you know?
I want to
The
go
gasoline shop.
I want to go there.
Where? Why?
I want to go.
This is the gasoline
I
shop.
want to go.
Where will you go?
The restaurant.
Where the restaurant? What will you go? What will you do in that restaurant? This is the gasoline shop.
I want to
Hello.
eat the breakfast in the
Already you have the food. Oh.
I want to eat the breakfast.
Breakfast? It is night time. You have already have the dinner.
Say in the morning I want to go to that restaurant and
This
eat.
is also a restaurant.
I want to go. That's the sushi restaurant.
This is sushi restaurant. How do you know? How do you know?
I think now sleeping time.
What are they doing?
Oh, we are going to home.
Is this the way to your home? Hmm?
Yes.
Okay, read that one. What is that?
Daiso.
Daihatsu.
No, it's Daiso.
Daihatsu is, do you know Daihatsu is a
Daiso.
car company,
The-
car manufacturing company. Do you know?
Daddy, why the full moon is following us?
He like you.
Huh?
He like you. I will already take this full moon.
Daddy,
Hmm?
Daddy, why is the sun and the moon following us?
Don't know. I think they like you.
And why is Earth just only not moving?
Earth?
Yes.
Earth is moving.
Well, if you're walking on it, we don't know the Earth
Earth
is not
is-
moving.
Earth is so big.
Yes.
So Earth is moving, but you cannot realize. Only you little bit, then that will teach you. Earth move or not. Already I teach you. The Earth is moving surrounding the sun. You don't know?
Daddy,
For why the season change?
Daddy,
I also teach you Earth also
Daddy,
move itself.
Daddy.
Hmm?
If you walk on it or stand on it, the Earth is not moving. It look like. If you walk on it or stand on it, the Earth, we know the Earth is not moving.
When you sit inside a train,
Yes.
okay,
Mhm.
are you moving?
Yes.
No, the train is moving. You just stand on the train.
Yeah, and you go on it, then you go right on the Earth, and which one is going?
This
You
is
are going right, so the Earth is.
This is also another petrol pump.
Why that is closed and the
In
other one?
India, petrol pump are called. In India, it is called petrol pump, and in Japan, it is called gasoline stop.
All in English.
Yes, all in English.
Why this one is not closed yet?
Hmm? It will be closed at 11 o'clock.
But why is it? I'm going to watch phone like that doing.
Hmm?
Why does it look like doing there? I'm going to watch phone like that.
What?
They're saying I want to watch phone, but I can't watch phone because I need to work like that.
Digital. Phone will run like this.
I can run. See, one. See, I can run.
Huh?
What do you mean I can't run? I can run.
Like that.
One, two, three, four, five.
Hey, green light is going to stop. Let's go.
Red light is here.
In Japan, crossing red light is bad.
In India,
India also bad, but Indian people are not obey the traffic rule.
I knew what you would say, obey.
Hmm?
I knew you would say obey.
Do you obey?
I will not obey you.
Hmm?
Because you're not the king of India.
Do you want to be a king of India? You want to?
I want to be the Guru of India.
You go to Gurugad, then you became a king. You will become the king of India.
All my trip is so far.
Huh? If you do Gurugad, then you become the king of India. The moon again. I
Why
think
is-
moon like you. For why it follow you?
Then do you want to say bye-bye moon?
Yeah.
In the daytime, the moon will die.
If moon will die, the earth will also die.
Huh? Why the earth will die? Then the sun will die.
Which light is hot? Moon or sun? Which light is hot?
Jellyfish die.
Which light is hot?
The lost sun.
It is sunlight is hot. In daytime it is
No,
so
it's
hot.
moonlight.
In moonlight, now the moon. Are you feeling hot?
Yes.
Hmm? Are you feeling hot? The sunlight is hot, and the moonlight is cool.
Cool.
Why the sunlight hot and why the moonlight cool?
Because the gravity is broken.
What nonsense. Okay, it is also green lights. Let's cross the road. This is the way. Why are you? This little road so narrow.
And why everything is closed?
It is going to 11 o'clock. Night.
And
It will be closed.
then why are we the only humans walking here?
Which women are going here?
Here? Us?
Are you walking here?
Yes. See, that's another human, that's an alien.
Are you alien?
No!
Then?
No!
Are you alien?
No!
Okay.
Why is the chair on the table? The cups
Oh,
are down.
Now the restaurant is finished.
The,
So they clean the restaurant.
the restaurant will be almost closed.
Yes, almost closed. When you closed, before close, they have to clean everywhere. Otherwise, the cockroach will come.
the boss will be angry.
Yes, boss will be angry. Why the boss will be angry?
What?
Tell. You tell. Huh?
One, two, pack on my shoes. I think to the videos, please.